Well, I'm here today at the Colex booth with Walter. We're going to take a look at some of the cutting solutions and also how they work with our Berger textiles. We're here taking a look at this cutter. We've got the Berger Gotham Black Back, UV, latex, direct transfer, all options for printing on that media. Walter, come in here if you could. Talk to me about what this machine is and what this setup is.
We are specialized in cross-cutting, high-speed cross-cutting. So most of the time, everybody is using cutting table. But when you are in high production, when you need the volume, when you need runs of multiple runs, then you have to consider Fotoba because we have a unique feature in terms of speed and being able to cut different sizes. This is the base model. This one is more for multiple runs. So when you have a roll with, like now, you have a 5 up. If you have the whole roll, the machine will cut it in 15 minutes, 10 minutes, which with a cutting table we take the whole day, or let's say 8 hours. So that's where we are helping your customer to be more productive.
So for a shop that's doing a lot of manual cutting by hand, you're going to eliminate a lot of those mistakes, a lot of the issues that come with that.
Well, also the stress. Consider that the operator that has to cut with razor blade the whole day is not really convenient you have a better use for a human being, So with a cutter like this, you cut the time down in a fraction of the time, and also your people will be happier instead of doing a job that is not exciting.
So what's the name of this machine that we're looking at here?
This is an XLD 170, is 1.6 meter media accepting.
So how is the Gotham Black Back working with this cutter? Is it cutting nicely? How does it feel to you? What are your thoughts on that?
We use a scissor cutting. So in other words, there are two blades cutting like if you have a pair of scissors. So it's a very clean cut. Straight and reliable in terms of time. When you use another kind of cutting, you have to change the blade every once and then. Here, no, this lasts for years without any maintenance, basically, or very low maintenance cost. So that's also a very key factor. And this, when you have to run like, this is a small piece, of course, of Black Back, but when you have to run the whole wall of a booth, like here at ISA, you need to cut like 20 yards. This is with this cutter. It takes 2 minutes. So and it's done in a matter of seconds. Why normally, otherwise, you have to spend a lot of time.
So if somebody's coming and asking you why should I be interested in this machine? I mean, is it a productivity thing? Is it an automation thing?
This is a more productivity and automation because it does do two acts in the same time. But it's also an opportunity to make more money because you can deliver earlier. So in other words, if you have a deadline like tomorrow, if you have to cut 5,000 pieces by hand, you will never be able to accept the order because you know already in the beginning that you cannot deliver. Printing today is very fast, and there is and the printer do not need an operator to stay up all night and print, or let's say a minimal assistance. So you can print a lot of volume, but then finishing is a bottleneck. We help that point. We remove a lot of cross-cutting cutting from the tables, and then improve the efficiency of the printers.
Now, if somebody's interested in one of these Colex machines, where are they going? Sales at colex.com, is that correct?
That's exactly where they have to, because Colex is our exclusive distributor for the Americas. So just contact them. They can provide you a demo. They can invite you to see the machine. They can test your material. They can print your files. And then you can be sure that you are looking at what you really need. So this is the best way. We offer worldwide the solution with demo center in Italy, in Europe, all around. And this is the best way to provide the right information to the customer.
All right, and that is it. You heard from the man himself, the Fotoba cutters, beautiful pieces of machinery. Thank you for your time, Walter.
Thank you.